Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We just got done doing a showroom shuffle and just brought in this brand new 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. So this is the first one we've gotten in with this Cool Touch black onyx interior. I love the look of this boat. It's just different than just about anything else you're going to see out there. And being Cool Touch, even though it's black, it's not going to get hot out there in the sun. So it's going to be a really nice look for you. Elevated helm, standard on Grand Mariners. I love the LED lighting in this. Like you can see over here on the passenger side, you've got your little console with two cup holders, RGB speaker, wireless cell phone charger, some LED lights in there, and the LED lights up in the tower. So what you can do, you can change these LEDs to be really any color you want and dim them. With this black interior, the purple tends to look really good. And I really like this dark, this blue LED lighting, because the exterior of the boat and the inside of the boat's blue also. So it just looks really good. Dual captain seats, flip-flop backrest. Back here at the business end of the boat, just a really good layout. Mercury V8 300 horsepower motor, submersible swim seat. So that flips down, gives you a place to sit while you're down in the water. When you're getting ready to go, just flip it up. That way it'll look like this one over here next to us. One of the most popular options, only available on Harris pontoons. I'm a big fan of it. Really nice ski tow bar and the all new lily pad ladder. Just has really nice wide rungs, super easy to pick up and deploy. Just has a strap. Rungs are probably 3 times as wide as your standard pontoon ladder. So really nice boat. I'm really happy to have this one in stock. If you want to see this or any of the others online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.